Hello everyone, welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from rational equations. Our equation is x square minus 1 over x square plus 9 over x square minus 1 equal to 100x over x square minus 1 whole square. And we are going to calculate all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So x cannot be 0. X cannot be plus and minus 1. Now I will multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by x square times x square minus 1 whole square. So I will write x square times x square minus 1 whole square times first term x square minus 1 over x square. Then we have x square times x square minus 1 whole square times 9 over x square minus 1 will be equal to 100x over x square minus 1 whole square times x square times x square minus 1 whole square. So this will be cancelled out from RHS. In LHS we will cancel this denominator. Here x square will be over. So we will get equation x square minus 1 whole cube plus 9 times x square minus 1 equal to 100 times x cube. Now x is non-zero, so I can divide both sides by x cube. Let us divide. Divided by x cube, divided by x cube, divided by x cube. X is non-zero, so this will be over. Right hand side will be only 100. Now first term I can write x square minus 1 over x and then whole cube. Here we will cancel x square with this power. So it will be left with 9 times x square minus 1 over x. And right hand side is 100 only. So this is one cubic equation in x square minus 1 over x. So we can assume x square minus 1 over x equal to a. So our equation will become a cube plus 9a equal to 100. So I will take all the terms to one side. A cube plus 9a minus 100 equal to 0. Now we will use method of factorization. Let's split 9a as a cube and then I will write minus 16a. So I need to add 25a to get 9a and then we have minus 100 equal to 0. Now from these two terms a is looking common. From here we will take 25 out. So it will give us a times a square minus 16. We can write 4 square plus 25 is common. In the bracket we will get a minus 4 equal to 0. Now here we can apply difference of two squares formula. So a times a plus 4 times a minus 4 plus 25 a minus 4 equal to 0. Now we will take a minus 4 common out. So we will get a minus 4 is common. In other bracket we will get a times a plus 4 plus 25. Right hand side is 0. Or we can write a minus 4 times a square plus 4a plus 25 equal to 0. Now from here I can conclude either a minus 4 will be 0 or a square plus 4a plus 25 equal to 0. So from this quadratic equation, we can check only the discriminant. So discriminant will be equal to b square minus 4ac as per formula. So b is coefficient of a, 4. So 4 square minus 4 times a is coefficient of small a square, which is 1. C is constant 25. We will get 16 minus 100. This will come out minus 84. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So this quadratic will be rejected as we are looking for real solutions. Now a minus 4 equal to 0. So from here I can write a will be equal to 4. Now a was our substitution, x square minus 1 over x. So I will write here x square minus 1 over x equal to a equal to 4. Or we can write x square minus 1 equal to 4x. X is non-zero. Take all the terms to one side. X square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this equation is quadratic. I will use quadratic formula. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. So I can write here minus b. So minus of minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 over 2 times 1, which will give us 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 4 over 2. So we can write x will be equal to 4 plus minus square root of 20 over 2. Or we can write x will be equal to 4 plus minus 20. We can factor 4 times 5 and this 4 will come out as 2. So we will get x equal to 4 plus minus 2 times square root 5 over 2. Now we will divide numerator by 2. We will get our final answer. So I will write x will be equal to 2 plus minus square root 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.